Here I will show you how to easily assemble the 407 suction cup holder to the transponder itself. First, place the higher tower clips with the thicker end of the transponder and place it nicely so they fit within each other on both sides. Then lastly, you just have to stretch over the single clip on the other end over the other side and snap in for a nice fit. And just like that, you can easily assemble and deassemble the holder to and from the transponder. For removal, you use your thumb to push off on the end where the single clip is, pushing up and using your other hand to guide it out for easy removal. And there you have it.